Oh my goodness, you guys. This just arrived and I'm not even gonna bother with painting my nails or anything for this one because, okay, I'm not even sure if I do that anyway. Sorry for that. Sorry about that. But anyway, this just arrived, and if we turn it around, you can see, should be able to see, it's Happy Mail from Printables Wonderland. And that, for those of you who don't know, is the shop I have had the huge honor to become a PR girl for. Yeah, that's it. And look at her handwriting. Oh, look at this. It's so cute. So cute. Oh no, I don't want to break it. I'll break it. Sorry, Sandra. I'm just gonna read this for myself. Here is a card I think will be in the different, in your order, like a thank you note with all the information on where you can find Sandra's like stickers and printables, because she has gorgeous traveler's notebook inserts. I will link everything down below as well, so yeah. But here we get out the stickers. That way. Oh, they are so... Oh my goodness, they are so cute. I can hardly believe this. Oh, that hurts. Oh no, this is not. The stickers actually fit inside the bag, like perfectly. I don't know, is that something that even happens? Oh. Okay, so let's start with one in the back. Here are some Halloween stickers. I love that. That ghost vacuuming. And doing the dishes. Oh my goodness, I have seen the images, but I haven't even seen these for reals. I mean, do you see it? Oh, I haven't noticed. They are actually doing chores. Like doing the dishes, vacuuming. Oh, Sandra, that's brilliant. I haven't even seen this. Oh, and these are like functionals and decoratives. Those little freebie sheets you get, the vacuum. Oh, a paperclip, love paperclips. Coffee. Yeah, that's definitely functional. No doubt. Oh, and the white rabbit. Gorgeous. Oh, and here's the Facebook crew sheet. Oh, I have been longing for this for so long. Oh. Look. So, you have to be like a bit careful with this one, since it's so delicate. Didn't rip it. Look at that. It's cut. Oh no, what did I think here? Shit. Yeah, anyway, let's just put it there. And I will use that today. And here we have coffee. These are dates. If my camera will just focus, there you can see 6th November. Yes. Oh, and some washi strips. Matches my dividers for my like social media KKK personal sized. Oh, I like those. Oh, and here we have diamonds. Focus, hello, yeah. Yeah, this is the diamond sheet with the quotes and everything. Shine bright like a diamond. Don't let anyone dull your sparkle. Keep on sparkling. Choose to shine. Oh, that one I really loved. Yeah, Choose to Shine, that one was my favorite, I think. Yay, it's the Halloween sheet! The washi strip Halloween sheet. Oh, I love that little ghost. Yay, I'm so using these. And oh, yes, I got them both. I got them both. Yay, thank you, Sondra. Because these are amazing. I mean, amazing. I think it will be like a bit hard getting the faces onto the pumpkins, since I'm an expert at ripping stickers. But it will be okay. And I'm not sure if you know this. If you haven't, please join the Facebook group. I will link it down below, because there we get like all these little sneak peeks and like looks into the process of creating these stickers. And I think, I'm not sure, but I think these stickers were the result of Sondra running out of yellow ink in her printer, so the orange came out pink. So it was like these ombre pumpkins. And a lot of the girls in the group really liked the pink pumpkins. I mean, how could you not? So, hence Jackie, because here you can see, they're called Jacko and Jackie Lantern. Love these. Ooh, I'm so ready for Halloween now. So, yeah, here you see them. Some washi strips, quotes, decorative. So cute. And November date stickers. Yeah, so I'm gonna play with these. So, as you said, find us, or her, or us. And I'm also gonna grab this piece of paper and a pen, which I don't have, but then again, I'm gonna make a text pop here with my PR code so you can get, what is it? 20% off €5, which is approximately $6, I think she said, and around 50 Swedish kroner. Yeah. But I'll be so happy if you use that and say hi to Sandra for me, because you need to get these. I love these. This is a new service that she offers, the printable stickers service. And I mean, it's good quality stickers. It's good quality sticker paper, and it's not too thick, it's not too thin, and it's matte. It's exactly what I like. Not sure if you will like it, but I like it. And I hope that you will like it, and I hope that you will try it. And why do I always drag out on the saying goodbye to you part? Because, anywho, links down below. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up and visit the shop. You will not regret it. Bye bye!